Oh. See, this is the step going down. Yeah. Oops. It's quite a long step here, guys. It's very shaky because very shaky. So we're going down, still going down the hill. You can see the background, guys. Yeah. Oh, careful. Look, guys. You can see this look like quite a big. It look like a frog, quite big frog. Look. Yeah. It's like a bullfrog. Guys, look at this. Let's keep still walking here. So this is the Kinbin Castle. What's it called, that island, Dad? Just only an island? Or Kinbin Castle Island? Something. See, guys. See, it's very unusual. See the sticking out on the sea? Yeah. So we're going up on that this way, we can go that way. So nandito na kami, guys. We go up this way. It's funny, that stone, a rock sticking out. So that's there. That one, Dad, you see? This one here, but guys, so ito na yung stone, yung rock. Yan, sticking out. Yan. Tapos, yan naman yung Kinbin Castle. There's a castle here before. This one. there's a people walking towards the end there. So we're going up. Alright guys, so we're going up now. It's very cold there. Yan, tingnan nyo nga yung view guys. It's the view. Yan. Doon ako kanina sa taas. Yan. Yan. Castle yan dito guys before. Call it Kelvin Castle. Yan. So, akyat tayo. Yan. May hagdan dito. Oops. Tingnan nyo yung view guys. So, yan ang view. So, ito. Yan. So, akyat tayo. Dalhin ko kayo dito ha. Yes. This is popular for the tourists as well guys. Akyat tayo. Ito part pa ito ng ano. Part ito ng castle. Yan. Part yun ng castle. Tingnan niyo yung view guys. Oh. Yan ang mountain. The background. Yan. Ang taas. Yan. So, little window. So, rakyat na tayo dito. So, nandito na kami sa ano, sa Kenben Head. Yung nakita nyo kanina sa baba na ano, na yung sticking out. Ito na siya guys. Yan. Yan, part yan ng castle. Very, very old. Yan. Tingnan natin yung view dito. May view dito. So ito guys, akyat tayo, punta tayo dito sa end. Ito. Yan. Ito yung end. Akyat tayo doon. Until to the end. Tingnan nyo yung ano, yung view. Yung view din sa baba. Yan. Right? Sige, akyat tayo. Akyat tayo mga ka-travel. I-travel ko kayo, ha? So, ito. It's not windy today. So, ang ganda mag-ano dito guys. Yan oh. So, punta ako doon. Yun ang pinaka-end ng head. Ng Kinben head. Yeah. So, guys, so yeah, ang view. Yeah, tapos yun. So ito yung view around. Yeah, so si Daddy Cool naman ang ano. Si Daddy Cool naman ang akyat doon guys. So ito na yung pinaka end ng head ng Kinben Castle. Kinben head. So pag very windy, hindi ka pwede guys na ano dito umakyat. Yun oh, tingnan nyo, it's very very steep siya oh. Yan. You made it, Dad. Yan. So tingnan nyo, yan sa baba, yun ang pinaka clip oh. Yan. So this is the best that you can yeah. You made it, Dad? Yeah, the last time scary, isn't it?
It's windy.
Yeah, it's quite scary. Right. Guys, that's the view down there. Wow, quite nice down there here, Dad. Oh, you can go down there. Oh, see the view, guys. Yeah. So that's the background. And that's a castle, old one. How old the castle, Dad? 500 years. Wow, 500 years? Yeah. Tingnan nyo guys. Right? Yeah.
See this water there?
Mm-hmm.
I was reading there in the sign.
Yeah.
There's some rocks just below the surface.
Oh, so that's why the water is like a soaring, what's it called? Yeah. Oh, I see. You see the island background, guys? That's Ratland Island. You can travel across the sea by boat, isn't it? Ferry, by ferry. Mayroong nakatira doon guys, at saka tourist spot din yan. So ito, you can see the view. See how far, how high guys. Look. ganda. Yan. Okay, so, see how far? Quite high. Under the nose water. So, punta ako dyan guys sa the end. The end ng itong head, oh. So, yan. So, yun ang view earlier. So, nandiyan kami galing. Ang ganda guys. Yan. Yan ang view. That's people. Ito naman yung part ng castle. It's nearly 500 years old. Yan.